Can we do it by round of applause? So can we do it?
Well, I started off, I'm actually a chainsaw carver, so sculpting and all that kind of stuff. But I originally started about 5 years ago when we had all the storms and all the trees were basically being chopped down all over the place, and there was lads flying around with the trailers, filling them up left, right and centre. And I kind of got a little bit kind of sick of that, so I partnered up then with Oreo Mac, with Paul, and we decided we were going to go down the road and see could we change the way people looked at stumps of trees and start doing a bit of sculpting. So we started going into people's gardens and sculpting stuff instead of chopping it down, yeah. Well, I tell you, what a lot of people don't kind of realise is how versatile a chainsaw is. Now, okay, we all know they're extremely dangerous, extremely powerful, but they're a very, very brilliant tool to actually get in around. So I'm thinking, right, you're after being walking around this ploughing all day long, and you need somewhere to sit down. So I'm thinking you might make a small, nice little chair for yourself. Now I don't know if we'll be able to get it to the size that we need, but it'll give you the principle of what you can create out of something really simple with some simple cuts. Like you take these big powerful saws, like the big 962 saw. This is for doing the grunt work, and when I'm carving something, I'll use the big saw to literally get rid of stuff the whole time, shift a lot of timber so you can get in and do the sculpture. Yeah. So once you get in with the sculpture, then you're going onto what we call the carving, and you can see the chain is a little bit looser, and so she'll run a little bit freer, and it allows you to get turned in and get more detail and different things in it.
Oh, thanks very much. Can we get a comparison side by side here?
Let me fire my one.
Sorry, here's one here.
Here it is.
All right. Can we do it by round of applause? So can we do it for my one first, please?
I definitely think this is going.
And we're for John's one.
Yeah.
All right.
It was a draw.
John is a professional. Okay.
It was a draw.
John, thanks very much.
That was a pleasure. I hope you enjoyed
Lovely.
it. Thanks.
Thank you.